Today I'm here to explain about these questions. So today's topic is integral. So some of you might know about this notation which is called integral. So in this time you have to find the antiderivative which is integral of the function. So let me explain about it a little bit. Probably you've already known about the derivatives, which is, for example, the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. This is derivative. Simply explaining, integral is the opposite of derivative. So, for example, the complete opposite. So the integral of this one is going to be x squared, and also let me write it here. Sorry. No. Okay. And also the integral of this one 2x is going to be x squared. So technically it's going to be completely different. Completely opposite. So let me just make it simply. For example, if you want to find the derivative of x squared, it's going to be you add one value here, which is going to be 3. Then first of all, you have the reciprocal of this one in front of it, and you have the power of it on the top. It's just that's it. So for example, if this one is x to raise at 4, it's going to be u first at 1 from this number, which is 5, and the reciprocal of 5 is 1 over 5 times x raised at 5. That's it. That's how it works. So you can make sure if you find the derivative of this one, then if it became this function, this calculation is correct. So for example, the derivative of this one is going to be 1 over 5 times x to the power 4, which is x raised at 4. So which is same. So this calculation is correct. So anyway, this is how it works. So let's get started. So first one, maybe it's not too difficult. So let's do it one by one. The integral of this one, 6 times this one is 2. So let's add plus 1, which is 3, and 1 over 3 times x cubed, and it's done. For the next one, this one, it's not written here, but actually there's 1 here, so it is 1 over 2 times x squared. And next one is just simply negative 5x, because there's, you can write this x to raise at 0. So if you add 1, it's going to be 1 over 1 times x to the power of 1. So you can just, you don't need to write it. Then you can't forget this number c. Probably I will explain about it later, but you have to write this c. It's constant value. The reason why you have to put it is, for example, if you find the derivative of 2, it's going to be 0, right? But if you try to find the the integral of 0, you are not sure which number is it. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 6. That's why you put just constant random number, which is c. Okay, so let me simplify this one. 2x cubed plus 2x squared negative 5x plus c. That's all. And for the next question, integral 6x squared times x raised at 1 over 3. So let's work on it. So first, it's annoying if it's separated, so let's make it together, which is, this is x squared times x raised at 1 over 3, so which is x 7 over 3 here. So technically you're going to do the same thing. Let's add 1 into this one. 7 over 3 plus 1 is 10 over 3. So let's have the reciprocal of this one, which is 3 over 10 times x raised to 10 over 3 plus c. And let's make it simplify. 9 over 5 times x raised to 10 over 3 plus c. That's all.